Here I have iPhone 17 Pro, and let me show you how to look up the information about the image when you are searching on the internet. So let's begin. So for example, let's assume that you are using the Safari or some other browser and you would like to find out some information about the things which are on the screen. For example, here we've got the Eiffel Tower and you would like to find out information about this building. All you need to do is use the power key and the volume up together, like for about 2 seconds, to take a screenshot. And here, let's use this icon in the left down corner. And as you can see, this pin is located right here on the Eiffel Tower, and you have here like the city knowledge. You can check out the information about the Eiffel Tower. You can find out the maps information. For example, you can check out directions, and here you've got also the similar web images to look up for some other pictures. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.